I'm waiting for the bed liner to dry on this truck. Maybe you saw the video I made about pulling bed caps. Now I am going to pull the runners, and I'm also going to pull these plastic pieces off of the bumper. They have the same kind of push pins that the bed has. I'll show them when I get to them, and I'm going to paint them all. I think it's Rust-Oleum, I'll look in a minute, has a product that's meant for plastic trim pieces to just revive them. So that's the goal here. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a clip right here, and that's what I'm going to grab with these pliers and push it through. Easier said than done, really. There's another one in the corner over here. Maybe if I start with that one. Okay. Okay. Now this one I have to reach through the hitch here with my little pliers. It would be easier with the second set of hands. All right. And then one more right over here. Let me show you what these look like. Surprisingly, I didn't break any of mine, but you know, that's how it goes. And then I can also come in here and clean this up a little more with my polishing wheel, make it look a little nicer. On this piece, I feel one there and one there. They're gonna be really challenging to get to. Okay, that one was tough. Yeah, I broke a couple clips, so I'm just going to glue them back on. Okay, and then this is the other piece, the passenger side on the rear there, and you can see I snapped this guy off right there. So same story, just going to glue it. Whoop, that didn't work. Sometimes if you catch it quick enough, this like quick set glue gives you some forgiveness. And I'm not trying to be pretty here, just trying to be effective. Now these running boards, just a bunch of 10 millimeters. Wear safety glasses. Bugger was tight. And slides off. That one was the bit. Only I'm allowed to say that. No.